In this video, we are going to see how to install Ashapower Rover series solar MPPT PCU. Install the PCU inside the house in a dust-free, ventilated, clean, water-safe location. It's better to keep the battery and PCU within a meter. Using a DC wire for the panels is recommended. Installing AC/DB and DC/DB helps ensure the safety of your power system. Connect the positive wire to the positive terminal of the battery and the negative wire to the negative terminal as shown in the video. Make sure the connections are tight. Once done, the display will turn on. Press the power button on the PCU. A green light will appear. Ensure that the battery settings are correctly configured for either a lithium or lead-acid battery. The default setting is for lead-acid batteries. Next, connect the grid and earth wires to the Ashapower Rover PCU. Take your time and follow the steps shown in the video. After that, connect the solar wires to the Ashapower Rover PCU. Ensure the positive and negative wires are properly connected. Then, turn on the grid switch located behind the PCU. A red light will appear indicating that the grid power is on. After a few seconds, an orange light will appear showing that grid charging has started. Then, turn on the solar DC/DB. A blue light will appear indicating solar charging is active. If you don't have a solar DC/DB, the blue light will appear automatically once the solar wires are connected. You have successfully completed the installation and your system is ready to use.